Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are tackling one of the most important and debated topics in the SEO community. Should or should not SEO agencies outsource their link building? So let's deep dive into it. Let's start with building links in-house. This is when you keep all the link building related projects within your own company. In-house link building offers several advantages. You have complete control over the process. You can tailor your strategies according to the brand's needs. It allows for better communication and collaboration. You all are working towards the same objectives, which results in cohesive campaigns. And let's not forget about flexibility in running the project. But of course, along with the pros, there are some cons as well. Firstly, it can be resource intensive. Secondly, managing and building an in-house team can be costly and time consuming. You need to invest your time in hiring people, train them, manage them, and of course, buy office snacks. Also, your team members may become exhausted from the constant outreach effort. Access to SEO tools is also costly, increasing in overhead costs. And let's not forget, it takes time to build a portfolio of websites. Now let's talk about outsourcing link building. This is when you hire a white label SEO agency to handle all the work for you. You just have to deliver it to your client. Outsourcing can be a game changer for the companies looking to scale their business without worrying about the deliverables. Now, let me highlight some of the numerous benefits. Expertise. Access specialized professionals. Time saving. Free up internal resources. Cost effective. Often cheaper than in-house options. Scalability. Easily adjust efforts to match needs. Access to resources. Utilize special tools and networks. Improved results. Benefit from experienced specialists. Focus on core business. Allocate your resources more efficient. Faster implementation. Rapid deployment of link building campaigns. Risk mitigation. Minimize the chances of errors or penalties. Competitive advantage. Stay ahead with link building strategies, and most importantly, streamline your link building process. However, outsourcing comes with its own set of challenges. Finding the right agency that aligns with your objectives can be difficult. And I just got an idea. Let's cover that in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellas. Also, if you wish to connect to any of our white label experts, then fill the contact form given below and we'll get back to you. Till then, happy delivering!